Yeah, quick look and first impressions on the klipsch K8SW. Just recently purchased this subwoofer to go on a home theater. Uh, nice finish on it. Don't know if I'll come up on camera, but yeah, quite a nice finish. It's an 8-inch woofer for downfiring. We'll go around to the back. Oh, can't go further too much. So here's your controls on the back. And it's pretty simple, really. This is klipsch's lowest end subwoofer. I'll just take a look underneath. It's a huge 8-inch driver. Port down the bottom as well. Rubber feet. First impressions, fair amount of bass for the size of it. Did quite deep actually for an 8-inch driver. Yeah, not much else to say about it yet. It turns off and on quite nicely. Blends well with little klipsch quintet speakers that I've got hooked up for it. Mainly going to be used for home theatre purposes. For music, I'd probably prefer a bigger subwoofer. This depends on what you're listening to, I guess, too. So yeah, that's all I've got to say about it at the moment. Thanks for watching.